Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know, so this is the skiller. Now, before I play the rest of this video, I have to make sure I try and tell you that this video might not be suitable for everybody because it's burglary. So viewer discretion is advised, alright? And this video actually shows the importance of security and the resist, you know, to protect yourself against burglary or anything that is harmful to you and your family. Alright? Observe. This is not a laughing matter. It's really not any laughing matter. But them never expect them that buck up in a grill after them bust that door, right? The importance of securing yourself, security measure, is it? Putting on grills. I know a lot of people can't afford it, but if you can, that is something where you need to look into to secure you yourself and your family. Alright? Yeah, and your family. Well, anyways, you don't know all this already. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this way just see the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself, you see it?